You are shoveling coal. You are in the gym day after day, sweating in the boiler room. You are shoveling tons of effort into the furnace. You are exhausted. You are working, but the lights are flickering. The city, your physique, your strength, is not getting the power. You are burning 100 tons of fuel to generate 10 megawatts of power. The rest? It's just smoke. It's waste heat. Your entire system is leaking. You are not inefficient. You are wasteful. You are mistaking the smoke, the fatigue, the pump for the product, the power. This entire model is flawed. You are not a laborer. You are a chief engineer, and your plant is failing. This ends today. We are stopping the leak. We are not going to shovel more coal. We are going to plug the holes so that every single ounce of fuel you burn is converted into usable power. This is a problem of thermodynamics. It is a problem of efficiency. Your effort leaks are the design flaws in your system. This protocol is the audit. We are going to find the metric that exposes the leak so you can seal it permanently. We are measuring your power conversion rate, the metric that defines how much of your effort becomes adaptation and how much is just lost as useless waste heat. This is not a workout. This is an engineering audit of your entire system. We will hunt for 3 primary leaks. First, the fuel leak, the quality of your effort. Second, the turbine leak, the precision of your movement. Third, the transmission leak, the delivery of your results. It's time to stop making smoke and start generating power. The first and most catastrophic leak in every power plant is the fuel source. If you shovel damp wood and garbage into a high-performance furnace, what do you get? You get smoke. You get a ton of smoke, a lot of noise, a lot of visible mess, but no heat. The temperature never gets high enough to generate steam. The turbines never spin. This damp wood is your junk volume. It's the 15 extra sets of bicep curls. It's the sloppy reps just to feel the burn. It's the 2-hour workout where 90 minutes of it was low-grade, low-tension, low-quality effort. You are making smoke, the pump, the sweat, the fatigue. And you are addicted to the smoke because you think it's the goal. The smoke is not the goal. This is the great deception. The engineer does not care how busy the boiler room looks. He cares about the output meter. Stop measuring your busyness. The heat is the goal, the intensity. The effort leak metric here is your fuel quality ratio. What is the quality of the fuel you are burning? High-grade fuel, anthracite coal, is a heavy, 5-rep set of squats with perfect form. It burns hot. It creates intense, usable energy, mechanical tension. Low-grade fuel, damp wood, is a sloppy set of 20 leg extensions. It just creates smoke. Stop shoveling smoke. You must have the discipline to ignore the smoke. The pump is a byproduct, not the product. The product is power. The true engineer knows a smaller amount of high-grade fuel burned efficiently will produce 10x the power of a mountain of garbage. This is your new logic. Your effort leak is the time you spend on low-grade fuel. You are wasting 90% of your effort on exercises and sets that cannot produce the heat, the tension, required to signal adaptation. Find the heat. This translates. In your career, what is your junk volume? What is the damp wood you keep shoveling? Is it the 3 hours spent checking emails, smoke, versus the 30 minutes of deep work on the one project that matters, heat? You must have the courage to stop doing the busy work that feels productive and do the hard work that is productive. Burn high-grade fuel. You've just identified the first leak. You are ready to trade smoke for heat. If you are committing to burning only high-grade fuel, then seal the pact. Hit the like button. It's not for a screen. It's your signal to the boiler room. The quality check is complete. You fixed the fuel. You are burning pure high-grade anthracite. The furnace is white hot. The boiler is producing high-pressure steam. This is your potential. This is 100% of your effort, ready to be converted. But the second leak is the turbine. In a power plant, the steam is useless unless it is focused through a nozzle onto the precise angle of the turbine blade. If the nozzle is broken, if it's pointing in every direction, the high-pressure steam, your effort, just vents into the room as noise and heat. It never spins the blade. This is ego lifting. This is sloppy form. You are venting steam. You load up the bar. You heave the weight up with your back, your shoulders, your momentum. You are generating the force. The steam is there, but you are venting 90% of it into the air. The 10% that does hit the blade hits the wrong blade. It hits your lower back instead of your lats. The effort leak metric here is your force transmission rate. What percentage of the force you generate is actually received by the target muscle? For the average man, this metric is less than 20%. 80% of his effort is wasted on moving the weight, not contracting the muscle. This is your biggest leak. The novice is obsessed with the weight on the bar. He thinks the lift is the goal. The engineer knows the muscle contraction is the goal. The weight is just a tool. You are using a sledgehammer when you need a scalpel. The engineer knows the direction of the force is more important than the amount of force. A small jet of steam focused perfectly on the blade can spin a turbine. A hurricane of steam, unfocused, will just fill a room with fog. Focus the steam. This is your new logic. Drop the ego. Strip the weight. Every single rep is a problem of engineering. How do I focus 100% of this steam, this tension, onto that single turbine blade, my pectoral muscle? This is the true mind-muscle connection. It is not woo-woo. It is engineering. It is precision. This is how you get 10x the results from half the work. You are no longer wasting your power. You are transmitting it. You fix the fuel. You fix the turbine. The furnace is hot. The turbines are spinning. The plant is generating 1,000 megawatts. Your workout was perfect. You walk out of the gym, and the power is lost. The city is still dark. Why? Because of the third silent leak, the transmission grid. You can generate all the power in the world, but if your power lines are cut, if the grid is down, 0% of that power reaches the city. The effort leak metric here is your delivery success rate. This is your recovery, your sleep, your nutrition. This is the grid. The generated power, your workout, is just potential. It is a signal. The actual delivery of that power, the rebuilding of the muscle, the adaptation, that happens only when the transmission lines are active. This happens in the dark. You are generating power in the gym that you are failing to deliver to your life. A failed grid means 100% of your effort is orphaned. It dies as a signal, never becoming a structure. You have a perfect workout. You created 1,000 megawatts of adaptation signal. Then you get 5 hours of sleep. You just cut 80% of your power lines. You have a perfect workout. Then you eat garbage. You just severed the supply line of raw materials, protein, needed to use the power. All your effort, wasted. It was generated, and it dissipated into the ground. It never reached the city. This is the ultimate leak. It is the leak outside the plant. It is the last mile failure. The engineer knows the system is holistic. The furnace is connected to the city. He does not just manage the furnace. He maintains the grid. Maintain the grid. Stop treating sleep as downtime. Stop treating nutrition as optional. They are the transmission lines for 100% of the effort you just burned in the furnace. Protect the grid at all costs. This is the new logic. You are not a laborer, endlessly shoveling coal into a leaking furnace. You are the chief engineer. Your job is efficiency. Your job is to plug the leaks. 1. The fuel. Stop making smoke. Start making heat. 2. The turbine. Stop venting steam. Start focusing it. 3. The grid. Stop generating power just to lose it. Start delivering it. This is the system. Stop wasting your effort. Start engineering your results. If you are ready to take control of the plant, to plug the leaks and own 100% of your power, subscribe to this channel. This is your new engineering headquarters. And for your final audit, your declaration, comment below. Leaks secured. It is your signal that the audit is complete. The plant is 100% efficient. Now, shut this off, grab your toolbox, go stop the leaks.